Dear students, a very warm good morning to all of you. I am Gitanjali Singh Rathod, Assistant Director, Student Services. I take this opportunity to welcome you all at this webcast of the Institute for the students appearing in December 2014 examination. We understand that you might be coming across a lot of issues which you wish to discuss with the Institute's officials. You might be having a lot of questions in your mind which requires clarifications, which otherwise you are not able to sort out being stationed outside at various locations across the country. This concept has been developed at Institute to provide you a common platform where you can freely post your queries, which shall be replied by Institute's senior officials. Now, without taking much your time, I am introducing the panel of experts of the Institute who would be providing suitable replies to your various queries. We have with us Mr. Ankur Yadav, Joint Secretary, Senior Grade, SS in IT. We have with us Dr. Sanjay Pandey, Directorate of Examination, Joint Secretary. We have with us Madam Sonia Bajal, Director Academics. Mr. A.K. Srivastava, Joint Director, Directorate of Training. Now, before we start question and answer session round, we invite our Joint Secretary, Mr. Ankur Yadav, to address you all. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Gitanjali. A very good morning to all of you students. We have brought on forth this particular platform such that we can enable a personal interactive sessions with you. Till date, we have been answering you offline through emails, through our contact centers, through our chapters, and this is a golden opportunity for you, especially for the students who are taking December 2013 examination, who have a face-to-face interaction with the senior officials of the Institute. About 1,60,000 students will be taking the December 2014 examination. This is a mammoth exercise in which we have to look into the various changed environments, something like OMR, computer-based examination, and the company law changes. We know that you have hundreds of queries because we keep on receiving such queries on a daily basis. Instead of replying on a one-to-one basis, we thought that it would be great if we can build up a platform under which we can respond to some of these common queries at one particular go. And this is one particular platform on which we will be utilizing the services of our expert panel to answer to you. I take this opportunity to introduce some of the major initiatives that have been taken by the Institute in the recent past. We have the e-books culture coming up on the website. You can download these books and read it at your leisure on your mobile phones and even hear to them by using some of the platforms. All the details are published on the website. We have an e-library project coming up under which computers are now available at our offices across India, in which you can walk in and use the e-library services at your wish. We have mobile applications which you can download from Google Play Store and use and enjoy the interactive platform. As I have informed that the Company Secretaries Act has brought in forth major changes in the study material, and we have published those particular changes and provided directly to you. In case any of you have not received the supplementary material or the new company law book, you can walk into any of our chapters, inform them that you are taking the exam, and these books will be provided free of cost to you. Kindly ensure that you pick up this particular books which are adequately available in all the chapters of the Institute. Some of the do's and don'ts for this particular webcast. There is a dialog box below the video in which you can raise any query. Kindly ensure that personal problems are not published here. because it will be difficult to answer two personal issues. The issues which are generic in nature, specifically pertaining to the examination pattern, the Companies Act, are more than welcome. It is anticipated that the one question that we answer will be received well by all the students, hence this platform of webcast is being used. Once again, I wish you the best of luck from the President, Secretary and CEO and from all in the Institute for your forthcoming examination. Thank you.
We are really, sir, indeed thankful to you for your such a valuable speech. Now let's start the question and answer session round. So we have received a lot of questions and queries from the students. So I'll start with the question number 1, which most of the students they are asking. So this question is for Mr. A.K. Srivastava. Students they are saying that they are not able to generate admit cards. When they go to the institute's website, it is giving message, your records are not available. Please contact ICSI. So some of the students, they are, quoting this issue.
Students, I'd like to clarify that if you are not able to download the admit card, there must be some minor issue. First, you have to check your registration number. Either you are punching the wrong registration number, either you are missing the slash, R10, you are not giving the full character. That's why it's not accepted, because the system is not accepting. Or it's possible that you are old syllabus, new syllabus student. Old syllabus students, if you are applying under the new syllabus, they will not get the admit card. If new syllabus students are applying under the old syllabus, they will not get the roll number. So you check, once you are giving the data in the system, you check, enter the correct registration number, enter the correct syllabus, whether you are under old or new, and then go ahead, you will get it. If further you have any query, still you are not able to generate it, then I will request you to contact the institute, send an urgent email on enroll@icsi.edu. enroll@icsi.edu. If there is an issue, we will take care.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your answer. Now we have a next question for Mr. Pandey. This is pertaining to examination, computer-based examination. So most of the students, they want to know about the subjects of computer-based examination. So sir, can you throw some light on that?
The computer-based examination is for the foundation course students. There are 4 papers. Paper number 1 is on business environment and entrepreneurship. Paper 2 is on business management, ethics and communication. Paper 3 is on business economics. And paper 4 is on fundamental of accounting and auditing. The student will be examined on 27th of December 2014 for paper 1 and 2, and the next day, that is 28th December, for paper 3 and 4. Now the computer based examination, as the name indicate, will be you will be examined and you have to answer on the computer. There will be 50 multiple choice questions on each paper. Say on the first date, if you are appearing 27th of December, paper 1 and 2, there will be 50 questions each, means there will be a total of 100 questions. And similarly, the next day you will be appearing for paper 2 and 3, and again for paper 2 and 3, there will be 50 questions each, that is a total of 100 questions.
Thank you, sir. Now we are getting a lot of questions on Companies Act, its applicability. So students are asking whether the Companies Act 2013, it would be applicable in December 2014 examination.
Yeah, actually for this examination session, all the notified sections of Companies Act 2013 are applicable. Please note that since not all the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 has been notified, for the provisions which have not yet been notified under Act 13, all the corresponding provisions of 1956 are applicable to the students for these December 2014 examination. And also note that whether the students are from old syllabus or new syllabus, for all the programs, that is foundation, executive and professional, notified provisions of the Companies Act 2013 are applicable. And for those sections for which provisions of Act 13 has not been notified, 56 provisions are applicable.
Thank you, ma'am. So it would be a great relief for the students because majority of students they wanted to ask this question.